One task you've fully automated that has saved you a ton of time in your business.
Oh, this is a good one. You guys, I don't do laundry anymore.
Oh.
Yeah. So I have 3 boys, so family of 5. We have a lot of laundry. And I started outsourcing it using a tool called Poplin, which I'm a huge fan of. And yeah, I have a laundry pro. It's kind of like Uber for laundry.
Mm-hmm.
I was spending about 4 hours a week on laundry, like doing the whole shebang.
Yep.
And I hated it. I did not enjoy it. And I felt so sad every time I'd finish it because the laundry bin was full again. I just would have to start all over. So I could never catch up. So I outsourced it. I use this tool. I put my actually I did it. Oh shoot, I didn't do it this morning. I just forgot. I'll have to do it tomorrow. You just put it out front. Yeah. They pick it up and they return it washed, sorted, folded, at your doorstep, less than 24 hours.
That is incredible.
It's insane.
I think a lot of people are a little bit cheap when it comes to spending money on their life outside of work. In business, sometimes they'll be like throwing money around like it's nobody's business. But then they think about their life and how much time that saved you in your life in order to get that time back with your kids. Or if you do need to work an extra hour for a client or whatever it may be, like you don't have to do the laundry anymore. So that's
exactly. No, it's been such a time saver. And I think you got to think about your hourly rate, right? And that opportunity cost. Is this where I want to be spending my time in this season of life? And that all staggers on from the goal setting. Like I got clear on what my priorities were and I was like, yeah, laundry was not one of them.
That seems
I let it go.
Not be on the list.
Delegate it out.
Hey, sorry to interrupt, but if you are a health or wellness professional and you haven't yet checked out The Wellness Vault, you're missing out. The Wellness Vault is a content hub for coaches who create their own plans and programs for their clients, run workshops, create digital guides, and so much more. You can now do all of this in a fraction of the time so you can focus on your clients and grow your business faster than ever with more you time. The link to The Wellness Vault is in the show notes, so go sign up for your free trial today. Thank you for watching this short clip. To watch or listen to this episode in its entirety, view the description below. See you next time.